Brain death. What is brain death? It is difficult to tell the person has a brain death. But brain death is the legal death of the person. What is brain death? Let's see. Brain death is a legal death. It is a complete stopping of all the brain function and cannot be revised. It means because of the extreme or the serious trauma or injury to the brain, the blood supply to the brain is blocked and the brain dies. Brain death is a permanent death. That is a legal death we consider. It is difficult to tell to the relatives and the person that the person is brain dead because in the brain death the organs are functioning. That is, the heart is beating, the breathing pattern is also there. So it's difficult to tell to the relatives that the patient has got brain death. They are considering sometimes coma. Coma is the different state and brain death is a different state. In coma, the patient is unconscious but the brain is active. But in brain death, the brain is not active. Organs are functioning. Why the organs are functioning? Let's see now. Why the relatives think that the person is alive and we are telling that, or the person is telling that the person is brain dead. That is why as long as heart is having the oxygen, it can continue to work. The ventilator provides enough oxygen to keep the heart beating for the several hours. Without this artificial help, the heart won't stop beating. This is the first reason. It is why the relative think that the person is alive. No, the person is not alive. Because the brain death means it is a legal and the permanent death of the person. Then what is coma? In the coma, a patient in a coma continues to have brain activity and function. When the brain death occurs, all brain function ceases and there is no chance of recovery. Then, professional will talk to your relatives, your family about a concerned decision they need to make at this time. Among those decisions could be removing the ventilator and possibly of the organs or the tissue donation can be done. But I'll say, if you're having a brain death, you're the luckiest person in the world because not every person is having the brain death. Only 1 to 2% people will having the brain death and you are the most luckiest person if you're having the brain death because you can donate your whole body after brain death, your organs you can donate. So you are the luckiest person if you're having the brain death. Why this brain death occurs? It is not a sure reason, but the sure reason one is not getting oxygen supply to the brain. This is the first reason. This is why the brain death occurs. And the second reason is the road traffic accident. This is the second reason why the brain death occurs. There are other reasons also like the traumatic brain injury, intracerebral hemorrhage, subarachnoid hemorrhage, ischemic stroke, heart attack. But these are other reasons. But the main reason is the accident and less oxygen supply to the brain. The professional medical term used to detect the brain death, that is the brainstem is the lower part of the brain that connects to the spinal cord, central nervous system. The brain is responsible for regulating most of the body autonomic function that are essential for life, that is the breathing, heartbeat, blood pressure and swallowing. When there is a brain death, you can see all these symptoms in the patient. That is why relatives are not considering the patient got died. That's the first reason because the brainstem always relays information from the brain to the rest of the body. So it's play an important role in the brain core functions such as the consciousness, awareness and the movement. After brain death, it is not possible for someone to remain conscious. After brain death, it's not possible for someone to remain conscious. Brain death, also known as brainstem death, is when a person is on an artificial life support machine, no longer has any brain function. This means they will not regain conscious or not be able to breathe without support. A person who is brain dead is legally confirmed as death. They have no chance of recovery because their body is unable to survive without artificial life support. I hope you understood what is the brain death. I've tried to explain in my own words, so I hope you understood. Thank you.